Good morning, dear teacher. Claudia Bolaños. My name is Carla Naydelin Lopez Contreras, and today I'm going to give some advices to my friend Mart. First, he should eat more vegetables because they have a lot of vitamins that can help him feel healthier. He should also start drinking sugar-free soda and gradually replace his whose watered mark out to try cooking at home where he can prepare healthy food. He should do some exercise like walking or cycling to improve his energy levels and get more active during the day. When he feels tired, he should eat some fruit instead of fast food very late. Finally, he ought to split early and well at night because rest is very important for good health. I I sure that if Mark follow some of these advices, he will feel much better during the day and his health will improve quickly. Thank you for listening, teacher. Have a nice day.